Yo, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit which came from one of my favorite Gundam Mecha anime, which is the Gundam Stardust memory. And I really like this series because of the the side events from the Universal Century after the 1 year war, something like that. And I really like the mobile suits of this anime, but unfortunately Gundam didn't provide us a remake or a reboot for the previous model kits or master grade model kits that they had before. And too sad because this is one of the greatest Gundam anime that I watched. But still, Bandai forget about this series in terms of master grade model. So I will not delay this review for you because this is none other than the Gundam GP01, and this is one of my old collection to be included in my studio because this a 1997 Bandai release, and I know this is really old, so it's about 27 years old already, but this is a release or re-release. I mean, it's a blue logo Bandai. So if it happens that you bought a red one, a red logo, meaning that's already old. But this one is still considered new because it's a rare release. But still, the plastic quality, I don't know. Let's review the plastic quality. If it is the same, just like the red logo release, or there's some alteration in structure already. So now I'm very happy that I own this because it's one of a kit or one of hard to find kit nowadays, but thankfully I ordered it in Japan at a reasonable price of 1,800. Sorry for that noise. I bought it about 1,870 pesos, so I'm very happy I bought it on a reasonable price, unlike the other shops which sold this one at an overpriced status. So let's check this kit out. This Gundam GP01 ZEPHYRANTHES from the anime Stardust Memory Gundam. Fangen wir an, los geht's. Gundam GP01 or the ZEPHYRANTHES. So this is a 1997 released by Bandai, but this is a blue logo Bandai, meaning this already re-released stocks. And you can see here it's a Bandai Namco already, and it's a master grade release. So these are one of the early releases of Bandai, started from 1995. So this is one of my old master grade model that I have as of now, and I'm planning to buy other old kits aside from this because I really miss building the old kits, and I want to compare the style of old kits to the new kits these days. And there you can see how simple the picture from the box art. You can see it's like a CG print out for this model. So this is how it looks like during 1997 or the early releases of master grade. So you can see here it's like a CG print out of this very simple GP01 here. So on the side of the box we can see the core fighter. So this model has the core block or the core fighter system, And this is very rampant during the Universal Century, where even the RX-78 has this core fighter, and so this kind of model, the GP01, has this core fighter. So there's the docking sequence. So we can remake the scene where the core fighter can transform into this core. To be honest, this is core block, but Japanese, they pronounce it as Brock. So there we can reanimate that scene where the core block combines with the body, the upper and the lower body of the GP01. The shield, we have here the shield, which is collapsible, and there are energy packs included for this one, meaning the magazine for your beam rifle. So this kit requires glue. Before the early releases, they require glue, but nowadays the new Gundams doesn't require gluing unless it's necessary, but before we need to use that. So yep, since this is a new release, we can see this Gunpla printout like this. Before, we don't have that. I wish I had bought the red logo, so it will really feels like the 90s. Since this one is already blue logo, I cannot feel the 90s feels. Anyway, the front view, this is the front view of the kit. Then this is the rear view, and the head looks like this. There's this backpack, cockpit hatch, the foot, the shield, the knee cover. So it's all here, the gimmicks for this kit. So if we open the box, we can see here the instruction manual. We can see the ZEPHYRANTHES, MASTERGRADE, UNT Spacey prototype. Okay, and actually it's like the Macross. If you remove the teeth, it will be the UN Spacey, same like the Macross. And this is how the 1997 manual looks like. There are so many Japanese explanation, and this black and white printout. Fortunately, we cannot read Japanese. And there we have this 3D print out here, and so much explanation, to be honest. There's this part list. To be honest, the parts list are not that much, so I assume that this kit is very easy to build. And what I noticed here is there's some I got a little confused on the manual here, because it feels like it's being rushed to build. So that's how I see this printout here. It's being rushed to build. So this is the 1997 manual. There again, it's being rushed, but judging the way how the parts fit together, it's very simple. Okay, we have colored printout here where we can see the built GP01. There we have the GP02 on the other on the background. There's this core fighter. There you can see how simple kits way back then. Then core block, the feet. I really like how Japanese present this kind of art here. The mechanisms for the fictional engineering. Then this one, core block system. Then there, it's the finished product. Okay, and this is the placement for your decals. And there we have this front view and rear view of the GP01. Okay, so when you go to the parts here, we have gray parts with water slide decals and foil stickers. We got this gun parts here, gray parts for the inner frame, and we got clear parts here and beam saber effect parts. White parts for the armor pieces, the head, the vifins, the shield for the core fighters, and there for the leg armors. Then we got polycaps. Then we got two small packs. We got these red parts here for the feet and torso. Then we got white parts for the V-fins, and I just noticed that we got two sets of V-fins here. So we got this one and this one here. So it's up to us to choose. But there's a difference between the colors. This is pure white and this is a little bit mintish white. See the difference. And then we got this another set of polycaps here. So we got tons of polycaps, and we got gray parts and blue parts there. So this is what I do whenever I buy older kits. I want to smell the scent of the 90s. So whenever I open this pack, very nice. The smell is very nice. There's a 90s vibe even though it is a blue logo release. So much fascinating to sniff. Other one. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. But honestly, the scent of this plastic is not that like the 90s model kits that I sniffed before, because of course this is already a blue Bandai logo, so there's no more vibes of that 90s feels, but still it smells so good. So we got here gray runners for runner B, and as we can see, the plastic feels, or the plastic quality here is just like the new models nowadays. So that's how I describe it. It doesn't have the 90s vibes anymore, even though that the runners state here that it's still 1997. We can still see this 1997 release there. Can you see that? But the plastic feels is just like nowadays, Gundam nowadays. There we have this multicolored runners for runner A. We got these clear parts here for the canopies, and there we got the hands, manipulator hands here, and gray parts for the inner frame. And let's go to the minty white colored runner. This is runner I, where we can see this armor pieces here for the legs. And again, the plastic quality feels like the releases today, the latest releases, even though it's 1997 states here. And there we got runner C. These are For the shield, the head, there's a VIF in here. And this is rampant during those 90s releases. We have here these detailing parts where you need to apply glue. This is the parts that you need to glue on the armor pieces, but I don't like to use it because it looks crappy, to be honest. Anyway, the feels of this plastic is yep, the modern one, the modern era. So there we got here F1, runner F1 for gray inner frame parts. We got this, I wonder how to use this thing, because this is clear, not clear white, but it's very white, light white, unlike this one which is minty white, but there's a VIF included. I wonder. Anyway, and we got red runners here for runner G. Is used for the feet and the small parts. Maybe this one for the booster, something like that. I don't know. Then we got tons of polycaps here. We got 2 sets of polycaps. Very nice. It's the usual thing in the older kits. Then we got these blue parts here, which is runner H. So the feels, it's not that 90s feels anymore. This is like the releases today. And finally we got these gray parts for runner J. These are gray parts for the backpack. Then we got this water slide decals and foil stickers, and you can see that these water slide decals are the releases today. These are new stickers and new decals now. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and I'm very excited to build this now. I want to feel the old kit vibes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video informative, you can share it, subscribe and like to support my channel and support the hobby. So thank you very much. Goodbye, God bless, take care, adios, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyong lahat. Thank you.